we're going to go ahead and install a hard drive in here, and I'm going to go ahead and install a 2.5-inch SSD drive. And what's super cool about this is that the first two bays already have a SATA cable wired. And check this out. There's the guys at the BMW design group have given some thought to this, and actually a lot of thought to this, which is awesome. They've given so much thought in this that they even have room for 2.5-inch drives. So if you want to use a SSD 2.5-inch drive, they've already envisioned that you're going to be using something like this, which is just amazing. And it's more amazing to me that an automotive group has given this much thought into like what a computer guy like me would be using. And we just go ahead and screw that in, and that's it. We just drop this into this bay. The first two bays are already pre-wired, so I don't really have to do anything. I just slide it right in, and all I have to do is just lock the panel on the other side, and we're all set. Thanks for watching, and remember, everything matters.